All right, how we doing? 1101. Here we are. What are we at? The 12th week of the term. So I will be getting your work back this week. Classwork, homework assignments, included in that, I should say. Been a long day. Is your augmented narrative essay. And augmented, remember, means enlarged, okay? So I call them augmented and edited. So meaning you've added a page to the original, and then you've made the revisions based on my comments, your rubric score, things you've already talked about. Open now, as of you all watching this, and due at the end of the week, next Tuesday night, is your augmented and edited descriptive essay, okay? So same thing, you're gonna add a page to your original, okay? Also making the nips and tucks, the revisions, the edits that your score indicates or my comments on your original paper indicate, okay? And I've explained to you, and I do have the explanation on the assignment description, how I factor in the grades. Remember, we average together, and then you get your new essay score that replaces your old essay score, okay? It's a homework assignment, but it also contributes to you getting your new score, okay? And we actually don't have a mode of discourse this week, okay? We did classification division, we did definition. I think this week I just have us doing our redone descriptive essay, and there's also a blog opportunity as well. Kind of thinking out loud here. Yes, the blog asks you to determine, come to think of it, I can't remember if it's a blog or a journal. I have my computer turned off, my laptop turned off at the end of the school day here. It'll say so in the assignments, what it is in the announcements rather. But the blog, which I'm going to call a blog, asks you to think about the classification division essay that was Joseph Heller's Is There a Formula for a Good Book? And the Amy Willentz essay on A Zombie is a Slave Forever. And what I ask you to do is to answer which one of those exemplifies its mode of discourse the best. In other words, does Jason Heller, or Joseph Heller, in your opinion, does he do classification division better than Amy Willentz does definition, okay? Or the other way around, okay? And then give evidence as to why you think what you think, okay? So it's just that little writing assignment. And if it is a blog, if it truly is a blog, that's voluntary. And the more I think of it, the more I'm pretty sure it is a blog, okay, and not a journal, okay? So if it is indeed a blog, it's voluntary. You don't have to do it. But again, just like our first half of the term, it behooves you to do so because I will be adding the bonus points on your redone MLA research essay in this case, okay? At the end of the term, you'll get blog bonus points on that final version of your final essay, okay? So just two things this week, pretty easy week, so nothing too backbreaking, and you will, again, as I said, be getting assignments returned to you in a slow trickle, okay? It's a pretty busy week for me. I've had busier weeks, but last week I had my spring break at my school, so didn't have much in the way of assignments to do. But now spring break is over, at least for us, so back to assignments for school for me. So my workload is increasing, and I picked up a new GNTC class for the second half of the year as well, about 30 students in fact. So I have their stuff to grade on top of your stuff to grade. This is all to say, you'll be getting little pieces and chunks of things returned back to you throughout the week, okay? So I appreciate your patience and understanding. And if you have any questions or concerns, I am happy to oblige, answer your questions, help you the best that I can. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off there, just over 5 minutes. Not much else to talk about. I hope you guys are doing well. Everyone's safe and healthy. Anyone get the vaccine? Okay. I was able to get mine on the 9th because I'm a teacher, so I was able to get that. And I got the Johnson & Johnson one. It's the 1-dose one. So hope you guys are seeing the light in terms of, guarding yourself against COVID and all that fun stuff. But before I ramble on any further, I'm going to sign off. Wish you peace and goodwill, and I'll talk to you again next week. Bye.